Has your Cuisinart AirFryer oven suddenly stopped heating, powering on, or responding to controls? Many owners run into this issue after regular use and assume the appliance has failed completely. However, problems like power interruptions, improper settings, or temporary electronic glitches are often responsible rather than a major hardware fault. In many situations, a Cuisinart air fryer oven not working issue can be resolved with a few simple checks. Before replacing the appliance or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal cooking performance. 1. Unplug the Cuisinart air fryer oven from the electrical outlet and leave it disconnected briefly. 2. Inspect the power cord and verify that the outlet is supplying power properly. 3. Plug the oven back in and make sure the timer and cooking functions are set correctly. 4. Remove any accessories that may be obstructing the door from closing completely. 5. Start a cooking cycle and confirm that the oven heats and operates normally.